So today we're going to show you how to have a beautiful container garden in less than 3 minutes. Now, how is that possible?
All you need is a container. I chose a basket. Make sure that it drains well. Some soil, some fertilizer, and of course what we were waiting for arrived, our flower pillows from Proven Winners.
Now, the cool thing about these flower pillows is that it comes with 5 different plants that work well together. It takes the stress out of having to find what you're going to put in a container. Proven Winners has made it that easy to just get these plants, put them in a container, cover them with soil, and just watch them grow.
I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the soil in here.
So with this flower pillow that we got is a part sun to shade flower pillow that we absolutely love because it's going to work well in the area that we want. But they come with a lot of sun tolerant flower pillows that do extremely well. This one contains Diamond Frost Euphorbia, a red hippo plant, and it also has, I'm going to look at this one real quick, it's the Rocapoco Rose, which is going to have a nice, beautiful rose Rocapoco in there.
Very pretty bloom. It actually looks, what is it, a double bloom, I think?
Yes, it
if
is.
I'm correct.
It is a double bloom.
Yeah. So I'm very excited to be using the shade ones this time around because last year we had them in full sun.
Yep.
A combination that was full sun. Okay.
So Angie has the soil in there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut this. It's just that easy. It has a zip tie that holds the plants in there.
Meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and put some of the slow release fertilizer. I'm going to do about 3 of these little spoons here.
Alright, now with the flower pillows, they come in a biodegradable tea bag. So once you plant it in there, this tea bag actually degrades. So it's ready to go. You can see all the roots. That's what's pretty cool. We're going to have the kids do one out here so they can take a look at it. I know they're going to be excited about it. But it's just that easy. These plants have been growing for some time. The roots are already going. So once you get this going and watered and fertilized, you're going to completely start to bloom.
And just cover it up.
Yep.
It's that easy and simple, guys.
So as Angie was saying, a lot of these flower pillows are wonderful because what we were talking about earlier is during the times when you go into the garden center and you're trying to find certain plants that work well together, you can't find some of them, and you just want a certain container to work well together without having the stress again of them either gonna outcompete each other or just not work the way you want it to work when it grows out into a container.
We usually like to create our own combinations, but sometimes I don't know if it's happened to any of y'all where you go and you have this one look that you want to create and there's that one plant you can't find.
Yep.
This is a very easy way to go ahead and just get the look that you want without running around almost to every garden center just to look for one plant. So this is why I like it so much too. Also because we're starting a new garden this year, so it's kind of crazy for us right now, and this was just perfect for us at the moment.
Yep. So again, like Angie was saying, it just makes it that easy to find everything you want all at once. The other great thing about it is if you order them right now, they're shipping for free, so that's another bonus to order these flower pillows.
Definitely. So we do have a second flower pillow, but before we get going and have the kids plant that one, because I know they're waiting inside and they want to come out and help us with that, I wanted Amber to explain a little bit to y'all about these 2 fertilizers we have here.
So the slow release fertilizer is heat activated, so as the humidity and the heat come about, it'll start to break down that fertilizer and feed your plants. The other one too is the water soluble, which we're going to do every 3rd watering. That way you can get these growing from the time you plant them all the way till frost.
It's very important to feed them, guys. These plants keep giving so much around the time that they start to grow and flower, and they really need to be fertilized so they can continue giving that beauty through the whole time we have. So we are super excited because I think these are our first annuals, right, for this season. And just super excited because we actually have a spot already for them where we want them. So let's get going and bring the kiddos out so we can put these where we want them.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you guys next time.
Alright. Did we do another one?